Hello everyone and welcome to VSP Garden. In this video, I'll show you how you can give hair start to your seeds for better and healthy germination. So I will use these seeds for the process. The first one is spongegourd, second is cucumber, third is bottlegourd, fourth is ridgegourd, fifth is watermelon, sixth is bittergourd, seventh is guarfali or cluster beans, seventh brinjal, eighth is muskmelon, but I will not be using it because I have a lot of it. Then chilli, then okra. So here are the vegetables I'll be using to show you all this process. They are very easy to grow, and since they are some hardy seeds, so they will not take much time to germinate. So to start this, you have to take a tissue paper towel. I have been collecting it from wherever I can. As you can see, I tell you more what else I have been using, and it's interesting. So next, you have to moisten your tissue paper like I'm doing in the video, and then take some of your seeds and put it on your moistened tissue paper or paper towel like I'm doing, and then put these seeds apart so they do not touch each other, and then cover the tissue paper with the other end, and then again sprinkle some water, and then you can fold it twice or thrice like I'm doing, and then again spray more water. Make sure that your seeds are moistened properly. In next step, put your paper towel in an airtight container or poly bag. I don't recommend using poly bag, but since I got this from clothes I bought, so I'm reusing it. Once you have put your seeds in it, again sprinkle some water and close it tightly. Now repeat the same process with other of your seeds, and then keep them in poly bags. So here are a few seeds I have kept in my poly bag, which includes some watermelon seeds, all the gourds, and I haven't kept muskmelon because I have a lot of them, and then I have all that is gourds, muskmelon, bittergourd. So here are my all the vegetables. Keep this poly bag in some warm place or make one. I'm again using materials I got from the clothes I bought, and I'm keeping this between them. So it's Tuesday, 17th March, just after 2 days of keeping it here, and now we'll see how our seeds are doing. So let's see which of my seeds have germinated, and here we have, as you can see in the video, the guarfali or the cluster beans have germinated well, and also the okra. So ladyfinger and the cluster beans are the two seeds which have germinated yet, so we'll keep them back for further germination. So it's day 4, and you can see better germination in the poly bag. And these long roots are of cluster beans, and also you can see the leaves of ladyfinger plants. So it's a great germination out here. So here is the close up of all the seeds I kept for germination, and look at that marvelous germination. Almost 95% of the seeds have germinated, and those 5% will be kept in poly bag again, or maybe those seeds are not good enough for germination. And it looked like my guacamole and okra seeds are on steroids here. They are growing so marvelously, and they have sprouted so marvelously. And recently people have been asking me that why and how I started gardening. So from childhood I have keen interest in plants. I am fond of indoor plants. But then recently I thought of give organic vegetable gardening a try. Those market vegetables full of pesticide and synthetic fertilizer make me feel nauseous. So here I am growing my own vegetables. So in my channel I will only show you methods which I am using. So you can use these easy methods to you can implicate these methods in your gardening. If you are new to gardening, or if you are a beginner, you can try this method, very easy methods. So in the video, the method I'm showing you in the video, you can give this method a try, and you can give hair start to your seed before you sow them in the soil. So before, I have already like a week or two ago I sown these seeds, and I planted them in the soil. But then recently there was a hailstorm and it damaged few of my plants. So I started the process again. Hope you find this video useful and you will use this method. And also my next video will be how you will transplant these seeds in the soil. What are the factors you should take care of while transplanting them? So just stay tuned. Give thumbs up to the video if you liked it. Comment, and please do comment if there's improvement you want on my videos, so I can improve on and I can make this channel worthwhile and worthy to you, useful to you. And that will be possible only when you will give me feedback. So just comment if you find anything should I be doing in the video, or video quality, sound quality. You can also tell me about that, and you can even ask me questions. If you have any questions, I'll be happily answer them. So, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. You can even go and follow me on Instagram, uh, and what else so just stay safe. This is the time to stay at home. uh, Stay home and be safe. Take care of yourself, of your family, of your friends, and like my videos, watch my videos. So stay safe. God bless you all. Take care.